Alright everybody, here's another unboxing video. Got this off of eBay. Got a little bit more at this car. It's a weird 118 scale car. I cannot know how to pronounce it. But it's a weird car. It came from wholesales.diecast.com. And now this is our second unboxing video. The last one I did was a PT Cruiser convertible. Now this one is something unique. Another weird car to add to the bunch. My fleet, and you can see here, I got carried away with diecast cars left and right. There's behind the closet, there's stacks of closets, there's a whole lot of cars in there. And there's a diecast junkie. Oh yeah, and some in the showcase too as well. And these little things here are used as old shoe containers. Anyway, let's unbox this baby. Try to get with one hand. This time the box is much easier to cut this time than the last one, because the last one was not easy to do. And this one is marked Fragile, or Fragile. Christmas story reference gag. Alright, this car will have a small flaw. We'll have a mirror messed up, but the mirror's there. So a little good old super glue will fix it, make the car look nice. So here we go. Just crack this baby open. One hand. Alright, we got tons of bubble wrap. For one box, it's really crazy how that happens. Oh well. Alright then. So we used a lot of bubble wrap. This is gonna be peachy work. Yep, that's another one of these cars. Same brand I got, the of course, hard to do it with one hand. Here we go. Failed attempt to with one hand. And here she is. This is what looks like a root beer car look. And that's what the car is. You gotta do is put a mirror back on it, which is included. Looks nice. It looks like a little Fiat. Set it over here. It's a little Fiat. Now this video is probably gonna be messed up a bit, but it's hard to do it with one hand these days. I need like a little extra tripod to use this to hold it. But I'm an amateur at these videos things. And it's called a AUTOBIANCHI A112 ABARTH. The same trailer did for the Fiat 500 ABARTH edition. But I can't pronounce words right these things anymore. But it's a cute little car. It almost looks like a little Mini Cooper that got stretched slightly. But got a little bit bidding more with this car, and one a bit cost me around almost 30 bucks. That's without the shipping and tax and yada yada. It was delivered today by FedEx. Take it easy and bye bye.